Yeah, we're gonna put this one in first. So this is some kale. We're gonna put into the blender. Alright. We're gonna get an apple. We're gonna get a green apple. I'm gonna put that straight inside of it. So basically what the apple do is just bring in a lovely little sweetness to it. Alright. So basically if you're a person who normally do a little bit of running and exercise, this come in really handy for you. Yeah. This is lovely. Really nice. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna put some spinach in it. Alright? Here it is. Spinach is a must, you know what I mean? Nice to put some spinach inside of it. And definitely spinach is also good. You know? Yeah. We got some ginger. We got some lemon. Alright. We got ginger and we got lemon. And we got some fresh thyme. Fresh mint. Alright, we got some fresh mint, which I like to use inside of it. I love my fresh mint. And mint is very good for you guys. Sometimes it's good to make a little fresh mint tea. Alright, so I'm gonna put a lovely piece of ginger inside of it. It's gonna be a green juice with some ginger and lemon. Alright? Yeah. And it's gonna be something totally different where you guys can try. Just put a little bit of water into it and we're gonna blend it down a little bit, and then I'm gonna add some more ingredients to it because the blender is small. Right? So through the blender is small, you have to blend it down a little bit. So I'm gonna blend it down a little bit, and then I put some more ingredients into it. Alright, so you see, I blend it down a little bit. So you can do, add some more apple. Alright. Some more ginger. So I'm gonna add another apple into it. So this is the best way to do it, is to go down a little bit with the blender, and then yeah, you know, you blend it after. I want you guys to try this one. Alright? Very, very, very good, I'm telling you. Alright? Very, very powerful ingredients. And it's all natural. See? We put 2 apples in it. Extra ginger. And also spinach and some, you can put also little bit of the, you can put out some basil inside of it, just like this. Alright? Yeah. Don't be shy. If you like, you can put a tiny little bit of honey. It's better for you to blend it if you want to blend it honey inside of it, because a lot of people can manage certain kind of flavor. So you can add a little bit of honey to it. Alright, then we're gonna put a little bit more water to it to free up the blender. And then in the meantime, you make sure you're drinking a cup of tea. Alright. Lovely. Then I got a pepper steak and a shrimps recipe coming up soon, guys. It's gonna be an amazing one for you. Lovely. Alright, now I'm gonna show you exactly how it look. I could blend it and make it come really finely, but I only need the liquid. Alright, you can have the fiber also. So I just need the liquid. Alright, now let's pour this inside of it. Just like that. And then the fiber, trust me, you can even have the fiber without some yogurt, some light yogurt. I know guys, that it's coming up to all Christmas and a lot of stuff is going on, a lot of people shopping and a lot of things going on, you know what I mean, but you still have to do what you have to do, and you have to look after yourself same way, you know what I mean. Make sure, you know, you don't eat and drink too much and overfeed yourself. Alright. Alright, that is good. Alright, see that, guys? Yeah, that is lovely. So you see, I get a lot of liquid from it, and that's what I need. Alright, perfect green juice to drink. Very, very good for you. Alright. This is making from the bottom of my heart, guys. Trust me. This is not making just because I want to make a drink. This is like, trust me, I do this because I love every one of you guys and I respect, and I'm doing it from my heart. Just not from my mind and from my, no, it's from my heart. 100%, alright? And it's all natural and it's all good for us. Except I put a little bit of honey inside of it, but we're gonna use some lemon to kill that sweetness. Alright? Yeah. This is from the bottom of Chef Ricardo heart. And because I love cooking or anything, this is because I love you guys and I respect you, and I'm doing it from the bottom of my heart. Alright? And the Lord has blessed me that I can share this with you, so why not? Yeah, and anything you're doing and you do it from your heart, trust me, you will be a good result. Alright? Yeah, that's what I believe. Alright? Lovely. Now, look at that. Alright? Now, what we're going to do is get some lemon. some lemon. We're gonna squeeze some lemon inside of it. Alright, that's the lemon. We're gonna put one whole of lemon inside of it, guys. Not half, but one. Look at that lemon squeezing out. Alright, give that a mix. Look at that beautiful green juice. Alright, what we're gonna do is take off some of the froth. You know what I mean? You know, like when you're cooking some meat and you see froth and you want to take away the oil, this is what you have to do. Cause you don't want to drink these froth stuff sometimes, you know what I mean? You don't want that to rest on your stomach. You know what I mean? Yeah. That is lovely, guys. Trust me. Here it is. You don't need any ice. That's it. You drink a nice lovely glass of green juice like this in the morning. Oh my days. What more do you want, guys? Tell me. Guarantee 100%. Alright? Not only that, you drink a nice lovely glass of green juice like this at home. Wow. Wow. This is exactly what I'm talking about. Trust me. Yeah. You know what I mean? That is amazing. Trust me. Yeah, so this morning I give you 3 top recipe, guys, in one go. Because I said to myself, I just love to share things with my audience, and I know it's very good for us to share things with one another and to support our